Hello everyone, so today I will record a video about Citrix printing and this is just to solve one problem that may occur in an environment. So I had this issue in the past and I decided to create this video again for me and for you, for me to remember and for you to learn if you did not if you didn't know what I will show you in a few minutes. So let's first let's directly dive in. So I will create a new session for a user. And after we have the session, I will tell you what's all about this video. So let's wait for the session to be created. And I just want to show you one possible issue that you can have during the login with the printer mapping on your Citrix session. So I've started my session. Now let's search for print because we want to see what printers we have available. So I cannot really replicate the problem, but I can talk about it. So in some cases, after a user logs in, the printers that he has, for example, so this is a personal printer that it's mapped in my own network, and this is a network printer that is mapped in the office environment. So those printers, in some cases, when the users log in, for them it takes, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes to show up here in this list. So they are not mapped only after 10-15 minutes. In this case, if you have this type of issue, I did find the solution, and for me it worked very well. So first, let's see. So let's take a look. I drawed something here. So okay, so this is the default way of adding printers in your session and sending print jobs. So for example, you connect, as I've done a few seconds ago, you connect to a remote machine, to a VDA, and then you try to print something. So the default action that Citrix connection will do is to try to, from this VDA, it tries to connect the network printer and also your personal printer. This is because Citrix, I've copied here the configuration because Citrix is saying that, yeah, direct access from the VDA server to the printer is more efficient, and the print jobs will print faster. But in my case, so for example, if my VDAs are in a secure network where you will probably encounter some issues that nothing from this network can exit the firewall. So the VDA itself will not be able to reach the network printer. Then you will have this issue that I've told you about. The printers will map after 10 to 15 minutes, and only then they will work. And this is because Citrix has two ways to come to do this. So the first this is the default, and even if you do not configure this these settings in the policy, it will be like this because this is the default. So it will always try to do it to do this to run the print jobs like this. So the print job will go like this or like this. But if your VDA is not able to communicate with the printers, it will not work. And after a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, it will automatically fail over to the other option, and the other option is this one, the print job. So, and the printers, the printer will be mapped through your ICA connection. So you're here connected, and through the ICA connection, this VDA will install and add your printers, because from your client you most definitely are able to connect to the printers. And this is also how the print jobs will go. So the VDA will not try to contact the printers directly. It will go back through your computer, through the ICA protocol, and your computer will contact the printers by itself. And so the print job will go like this. If you want to print on the network or on your personal printer, the print job will return back to your computer, and then you will be able to print. And of course, this will, if you have big files to print, this will be a little bit slower, because the VDA will not send directly the information to the printer. It will send them through your computer first. So let's also see how the policy looks like. So this is the printing policy. I only configured the minimum printing options. Let's go with edit the policy, and here under ICA and under printing, under client printers, here you have your direct connection to the print servers configuration. So I've disabled it, because when it's disabled, we are in this scenario, and the printer will map instantly during the session creation, and it will not wait 10 to 15 minutes like this, like the default, because it is able to communicate to the printers through your own computer. Okay, let's go back to the policies. So by default, this is enabled, and even if you do not check this mark, it's still enabled. So this is how it's made to be. So it so if you want to change it, you first need to enable check it, and then disable it to switch to the ICA connection. There was a nice article, I saw it a year ago, that explained everything what I explained you, but I did not find it, and it also had some nice pictures, but I don't manage to find it again. Nevertheless, this is how I solved the problem, and it worked for me. So if you have the same issue, so if the printers do not instantly map during session creation, then you can give it a try. You can also troubleshoot this by so from the VDA you can try through PowerShell. You can try to communicate to the printer and try those ports, and if they are not working, for sure this direct printing will not work, and it will be necessary for you to switch to the other option, but only if you have a setup like this with a secure network. If this network is not secure, then you should definitely open firewall ports from the VDAs to the print server, and of course to the printers, because the default way it's more faster and efficient. But this is as a workaround or a good way to have a secure network that and also be able to print. Okay, this was it. It was a short video, but I hope this will help you in your daily work, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.